Guide RC.
Go ahead, Kai.
You can fire up.
Copy that.
A little lower and more upstream.
Yeah. Yeah, I've got you there, Kai. Hey, dude.
Yo,
How was the snow?
sick.
Nice.
Roller coaster.
Roller coaster. Whereabouts is that?
It's just across the way. We take off to the north.
Oh, yeah, it's
west.
over the next ridge line. Yeah, it's going to take me a bit to climb up.
You know, a huge bonus about flying around the 206 for me is we don't move as quickly, and I can actually take a moment to look. When you're in 212, you're like, what the fuck? And then you're there.
Yeah, time moves a bit slower in the 206.
That's good, though. It's like helps me get a better lay of the land. All right, there we go. Roller coaster is that big, wide expanse there at our 11 o'clock. As you're climbing, like, keep it kind of close to the ground so I can see what the
Alright.
and the landing's like up on the saddle there.
Are there flags?
There's flags, yep. There's also a high one too. And then the pickup was just for those tracks where you can also park over here on that one carousel there.
Yeah.
It looks fine. Like, you got better eyesight than me, but like you don't see like texture or yeah, it looks smooth as fuck. Okay, I'm gonna speed run this. You know what? Don't even shut down. Like, I'll pick up high. There's a high pickup there just at the tree line.
Yeah. Alright, maybe I'll just wait at carousel there, and I can see you.
Totally.
See what the wind's doing up here. There's really not much wind up here at all.
No. Some might say zero.
There's a breath of wind.
Okay, I take it back.
Here we go, like maybe 5 knots. Bit firmer up here.
Nice. Okay.
Righto. Have fun.
See you in a sec.
Hey, I'm ready. And I'm just on the bench at about just under 6,000 feet.
Yeah, I can see you.
Hello.
Hey, mate.
French air.
Where is that?
That is to our east-northeast. Wee. Yeah, so this is Sideshow Caribou, and on the other side of Caribou, this ridge should be French air. The pickup is going to be in this drainage. Maybe we just do a quick flyover because it's been a while. And then the landing will be up on that ridge to the right.
And so you're going to be taking this...
Yeah, I'll probably ski something here. It'd be nice to see the front side of it too.
Like the ridge line or this bowl?
On the other side. It skis 360. Yeah. Like I've picked up here before, but it was like 3 years ago, so. Okay, there's a pickup right there.
Flags?
No. And then there's one down here too, right around here. I think somewhere where the trees end there in the drainage. Figure something out. Okay, we'll go to the top.
Oh yeah, I see some flags up there.
You got them?
Yeah. There's a bit of wind over here.
Yeah, for sure. Oh yeah.
That's okay.
That's alright?
That's right where I want it, yeah.
Okay. There's also a set of flags down here too.
Let's do this one.
Okay.
Quite quite firm here as well.
Nice, okay. Yeah, I'm not sure where...
Might be worthy of a shutdown somewhere.
Yeah, I think this might be it. Like there's one lower down, but...
Yeah, I'll find somewhere in that little creek.
All right.
Yeah, we are shutting down at French Air.
He shuts down at French Air.
I just want you.
Darcy.
Yeah, Kai, go ahead.
I'm just gonna do a bit of digging here, so it'll be a little longer.
That's alright, buddy. I know how to keep myself occupied.
Alright, don't have too much fun.
No promises. How's this? A little drone long line. Although it doesn't need to be on there right now. What do you mean, no SD card? It's in there. It's not. I want the world to see me.
Home point updated.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
Cool. Yeah, Kai, go ahead.
Hey, you can fire up.
Alright, I'll come find you.
I got you there.
Yo.
Yo.
Alrighty, what comes next? I'd like to go check out Short and Curly. I'll check my map here. Oh, it's way back there. We need to go up Encampment again,
Yeah.
and then go past Picture Run and Powder Bowl.
There's Picture Run, Powder Bowl, Connection, Sweet Dream.
Yeah, but let's go check on like
Yeah.
Picture Run and stuff on the way there.
Yep.
Is this landing all right, or is it kind of a shit show because it puts you into like a...
It's fine for me. It's kind of shit, but it's alright. 407, 206 is fine.
Okay.
I don't know if a 212 would want to land here.
What are you doing here? You're gonna do left pedal,
Yeah, I'm gonna do left pedal downstream.
then you've got a
then
little
I-
drop.
Yeah, drop, and then I can get airspeed and go between these trees down this creek. But once again, yeah, I don't know if a 212 would want to maneuver like that.
Okay. Roller coaster to our right, carousel where you park to our left, and straight ahead, very prominent one.
Yeah.
That's called Fred's. So dead ahead is Picture Run left. And you can see there's a bit like where it rolls off into those cliffs. That's us.
That's a pickup.
Yeah. And then the landing is on top of the peak in the sun there. Booker's right. But can we land on top of Picture Run left? That's actually where the repeater is. And I'll do a bit of a speed run.
Flying through my downwash again. Okie dokie.
Smooth. Thank you. All right. Yeah, if you want to shut down at that pickup there, I might be done before you even have time to shut down.
We'll see how quick you are.
Okay.
And Kai, I'm on the ground at the bottom of Picture Run. My cool down will be done in a minute.
Okay, give me 1 minute.
Yeah, the sun's out. There's a lot of texture. Don't really need a flag for this one.
Go.
But I appreciate the thought.
Alright, yeah, through this gap here. Short and curly is this one here on our left. In the distance, in the shade. What is this one here? Powder bowl. Oh, that's alright. Maybe we can flag that.
You can do that while the sun's out.
Yeah.
Now?
No, let's go this way.
Yeah.
So short and curly is this one on the right here.
Okay.
Look up to the right in the fog, which kind of looks shit right now.
Yeah, give it a sec.
And one of the landings is up on this ridge here.
And that is a very short run.
Yeah, short and curly. Yeah, so this bump right here, right there, a little bit lower down to the right.
Just above those rocks?
Below the rock.
I think is that a flag I see?
Maybe.
No?
Something old, but yeah, where you think you see the flag, right there would be great.
I kind of see something, yeah. Well.
If you have a look, if not, we can go back to Powder Bowl.
Where you're telling me is on this next bump here?
Yeah, with that little rock poking out.
It's a little bit too white.
Okay. Shut her down.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try Powder Bowl. Maybe that low bump there could work.
Yeah, I think I see what you mean. That might be good enough. We'll have a look.
Okay.
It looks quite wind affected. It'll be pretty firm.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, anything on the high points you could assume is firm.
Oh.
Yeah, no.
Too white. Too white.
Yeah. No.
Didn't like that.
Alright, fuck it.
That was gross.
Alright, let's go get some fuel and take a moment. Take a breather.
Monastery Large, JCH.
Who got received?
Yeah, g'day mate. Shutting down at Encampment Creek.
I got shut down at Encampment Creek.
But you know what we should do while we're here?
Oh, you're recording me. I did not agree to that.
We should have a cup of tea.
Yeah, we should.
And maybe a smoke.
Yeah. No, that never made you the world.
Alright. Fuel on. Choke. Wait, gas on. Yeah, gas on. Alright, that'll do it.
Okay.
Do we want to be good c***s and sweep this down?
Is it worth it?
Whee! Oh. Nice. Oh mate, cheers.